This is the world now. In the U.S., the number of people filing new claims for unemployment benefits dropped last week to its lowest level since 1969. Initial claims fell by 22,000 to 187,000 for the week ending July 18th, far below the 212,000 economists had expected. It's the biggest one-week drop in 3 months. Economists warn some of the drop reflects a seasonal quirk and expects claims to bounce back toward the low 200,000s next week. Continuing claims fell to a 6-week low, and June's unemployment rate dipped to 4.2%, a one-year low. Heading into next week's policy meeting, Federal Reserve officials are keeping their focus on inflation, which remains above their 2% target. The European Central Bank held its benchmark interest rate steady on Thursday, but left the door open to further increases as a widening Middle East conflict keeps pushing energy prices higher. The ECB kept its deposit rate at 2.25%, saying it's closely monitoring the shock from the conflict and its ripple effects on the economy. Financial markets are pricing in roughly 2 more rate hikes by the end of the year, with the next possible move at the ECB September meeting. The bank's president said risks to the inflation outlook are tilted higher, warning the energy shock could intensify and spill over into broader prices and wages. The European Union has fined Google $1 billion for favoring its own services over rivals. The decision on Thursday is the company's first penalty under the bloc's Digital Markets Act. EU regulators found Google gives its own products more prominent placement in the search results than competitors get. A separate fine targeted restrictions on the Google Play App Store that blocked developers from steering customers to cheaper deals elsewhere. Google said it's reviewing the decision and considering an appeal. The company now has 60 days to fall in line or risk a fine worth up to 5% of its global revenue. Regulators said Google has already proposed changes and called it, quote, substantial progress toward compliance, making further fines unlikely for now. Ji-han, 아리랑뉴스.